Hello viewers, welcome to Hotel Oasis Kumilla. Oasis Hotel is privately owned 3-star standard luxury hotel in Kumilla. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours room service, restaurant, meeting room, fully air conditioned, driver room, ample car parking, etc. Deluxe Twin, Deluxe King, Deluxe Queen, Premium Twin, Premium King, Premium Queen, Premium Family, Restaurant. Meeting and events. Oasis Hotel Kumilla, courtesied by porjotanbd.com, a website of Porjotanbd Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 01317302 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, Videography Sabiba Ali, Voice Shathi Bonik, porjotanbd.com. Thanks for watching.